Namaste, everyone.
Namaste.
So, this is the third episode from our series Learn Hindi from the beginner level to intermediate and advanced. So, Zoe, how are you?
I'm very fine. And how are you?
I'm good, very good, thank you. So, do you know how to say how are you and I am good in Hindi?
No, I don't know this.
Okay. So before we proceed, very basic sentences. How are you? Mostly we say आप कैसे हैं? आप, which means we did it right, like आप,
Yes, yes,
formally
yes.
you, right? So आप
Yeah.
कैसे is means how, and आप ends with हैं. So that becomes आप कैसे हैं.
आप कैसे हैं?
For now, you can ask आप कैसे हैं even to a kid or an adult, doesn't matter. Okay, you can respect anybody. So you can say आप कैसे हैं to anybody. The response would be मैं अच्छा हूँ. मैं, I, अच्छा, you have heard this, which means good. And मैं
Yes.
always ends with whom. It's if in the present, yeah. If it's in the
Mm-hmm.
present, you would say मैं अच्छा हूँ. मैं अच्छा हूँ.
Yeah.
But you, as a feminine, would say मैं अच्छी हूँ.
Ah, really? Oh, okay. मैं अच्छी हूँ.
Yeah. Now you have to
Good.
also sound like you're good. So मैं अच्छी हूँ.
I did not know that acha also has feminine and masculine. I didn't know that. I thought, okay, that's interesting. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. It
But
has
but
three forms. अच्छा, अच्छी, अच्छे. Masculine,
oh,
अच्छा. Feminine, अच्छी. Plural, अच्छे.
okay. Mm-hmm.
अच्छा, अच्छी, अच्छे. So, but we are doing masculine
Acha.
and feminine for now. So, I would say मैं अच्छा. How would you say that?
मैं अच्छी हूँ.
Whom. You have to end it with whom.
Okay. मैं अच्छी हूँ.
Yeah. So one more time. Hello Zoe. Namaste. आप कैसी हैं?
हेलो मैं अच्छी हूँ.
Very good. You can ask me the same question.
Ah, आप कैसे हो?
आप कैसे हो?
आप कैसे हो?
मैं. So now I have to say as well, right? Like I'm also. I would say bhi. B-H-I. Bhi. That means also. Bhi.
Ah,
The
okay,
air.
भी.
Bhi.
भी. भी.
Yeah. Bhi.
भी. भी.
So I would say मैं भी अच्छा हूँ. मैं भी अच्छा हूँ.
मैं भी अच्छा हूँ. Okay, and मैं भी अच्छी हूँ.
Very good.
Okay.
Now you ask me the question, how are you?
आप कैसे हो?
मैं अच्छा हूँ. आप?
मैं भी अच्छी हूँ.
We are done with the verbs, right?
Yeah.
आना, जाना, देखना, सुनना,
सुनना.
बोलना, पीना, खाना, करना, right? You learn more. The
And
third
गाना.
one, khana, gana, yes.
Yeah, yeah, right.
The second session we learn about subjects, मैं,
Pronoun. Yeah.
yeah, pronouns, मैं, तुम, आप, हम, ये, वो, ये लोग, वो लोग. Did we also learn the endings?
No. Oh, what endings? What do you mean?
So,
Endings of
when you say
pronouns?
pronounce, it ends. For example, you just said मैं अच्छी हूँ. Yeah?
Ah, no, we did not do this. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So today's session we will learn how to end the pronoun. Every
Yeah.
so like in English, like we have is, oh, am, is, are, I am, he is, she is, they are, we are, right?
Mhm.
It just come right after you say the pronoun, but in Hindi, at At in Hindi, it comes in the end. Okay. So
Yes.
we already learned how to say I am good. That is मैं अच्छा हूँ for feminine. मैं अच्छी हूँ. So मैं ends with हूँ.
मैं हूँ.
So I am मैं हूँ.
Mhm.
Now तुम हो.
तुम हो.
तुम हो.
तुम हो.
I will say you are Zoe and you will say you are Neeraj. So I'll say तुम Zoe हो. How would you say?
तुम नीरज हो.
Very good, right? I will say you are good and you will say you are good. Okay. So तुम अच्छी हो.
तुम अच्छा हो.
Hmm. You said it good, but from what you have learned. But when you say tum and anything masculine, in this case, this adjective acha ends with a, you have to say a at the end. Anything.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you
Okay.
will say
Because
tum
it's,
अच्छे
because
हो.
it's more polite, right?
Yes, it's
तुम
more
अच्छे
polite.
हो. Okay, okay, that's why. Okay, okay. तुम
You just
अच्छे
make it
हो.
plural. Okay. So whenever
Okay, yes.
whenever you say tum and there is something masculine, whether it's a noun or an adjective or anything, you would make it
Yes.
equal to a. A becomes a. So acha becomes achhe. Doesn't
And if it and feminine?
feminine that nothing changes. Well, if you
Feminine
go
is
deep, but if you go deep, there is a point, but not noticeable. So for you, nothing changes. So
so
achi,
it's
achi.
okay, okay, okay. So if I talk to a woman, I will always say तुम अच्छी हो.
Tum
And if I
achi.
talk to तुम अच्छी हो.
Yeah.
And if I talk so when I talk to a man, then I will say तुम अच्छे हो.
You,
Okay.
you
Okay.
learned it. Very good. Now,
Yes.
मैं अच्छा हूँ, तुम अच्छी हो. Now, आप. Yeah. Now,
Yes.
it's interesting when you say आप, if you go by the rules, it has to end with hain. Hain. N goes to the nose, which means that's a nasal sound. So you say hain.
Yeah.
आप अच्छे हैं.
Okay.
But
Yes.
when you say normally you can say आप अच्छे हो as well.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, but the ho is more formal and polite.
Whole ho works with both, even formal, even polite, the ending. But if
Yes.
you go by the rule, you have to say आप अच्छे हैं. तुम
Ah, really?
अच्छे
It's
हो.
more formal?
Yes. तुम
Oh,
अच्छे हो.
okay.
आप अच्छे हैं. Listen to me for three more times. तुम अच्छे हो. आप अच्छे हैं. तुम अच्छे हो. आप अच्छे हैं. तुम अच्छे हो. आप अच्छे हैं.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
far we learned मैं हूं, तुम हो, आप हैं. Can you repeat that?
मैं हूँ, तुम हो, आप है.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, very good.
Now
Thank you.
मैं हूं, तुम हो, आप हैं. We, that is हम हैं. So you see, when you
Mm.
pluralize, we say हैं.
Yeah, okay.
Hai,
Ah, that's why hair is more polite, probably also when you okay, okay, I got it now. Okay, thank you.
so now you can
Mhm.
you do that. मैं
मैं हूँ, तुम हो, आप है,
हम
अम, हम है,
Very good. Make sure when you say हैं, the ending should be from the nose. हैं.
Hair.
Yes.
Hair.
This will
I don't know. Can you repeat? Okay.
yeah, you're
Okay,
doing it
good.
good.
I did. Okay.
For everybody, I'll do it one more time. So हैं, हैं.
Hair. Hair.
Now,
Okay.
what if you move the nose? This will be है, है.
Okay.
So when you
Yeah.
say ये, वो, that's है. Not this, but without this. ये है,
Yes.
ये है, वो है, वो है.
Okay, and when do I do when I so it's different pronunciations?
Slightly.
Oh, okay, okay.
I'll tell you the simple thing. When something is plural, like we, they, or some respecting somebody, you say with n, that is हैं. Okay. So far we have done मैं हूँ, तुम हो, आप हैं, हम हैं. So now we have to do he, she. So now they are singular, right? One person. He is one person. She is one person. Even if they are, wo is one person. Wo is one person. So you will just say without nose, this is hai, hai,
Yes.
hai. Say that?
Ah, okay, hair.
Yeah, that's good.
Ah, okay. So
Do like
it's a
this.
difference
Hai,
between plural and singular.
yeah.
Okay,
So hai,
okay.
hai, 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 hai.
Hair, 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 hair.
Yeah,
I don't know
close,
if I do it right.
close. No worries. Well,
Okay.
to everybody, if you are not understanding like he, she, it, they, maybe you haven't watched our previous sessions. So just go to the previous episodes. You will be learning everything and you can literally understand this video where we are going. All right, so continuing. मैं हूँ, तुम हो, आप हैं, हम हैं, ये है, वो है, वो है, right? And of course, when you say plural like they, which is ye log, of course you will use your nose. Ye log hain, wo log hain.
Yes, yes. I'm not sure if you can hear the difference in my pronunciation
Doesn't
yet.
matter. For now,
Okay.
it's okay. Slowly you will build it up. You don't have to worry. To be honest, this is not a difference that we can get or we can think of, right? It's not like if
Yeah.
you are saying instead of apple, you're saying mango. So we can clearly see. It's a really slight difference. Nobody is thinking it about. But as you're
Mm.
learning, as you all are learning, you have to know it. Okay?
Of course, the most important thing is to have it in the mind, so I can maybe try to do the difference. Yes.
Yeah. Now let's take some examples. मैं
Mhm.
नीरज हूँ, तुम जोए हो, आप जोए हैं, हम इंडियन हैं, ये अमेरिकन हैं, ये ब्राजीलियन हैं, वो चाइनीज है, वो जापानीज है, ये लोग जर्मन हैं, वो लोग मैक्सिकन हैं. Make sense?
Okay. Yes,
Now
makes
you do
sense.
it.
Um, मैं जोए हूँ, मैं जोए हूँ,
Okay,
अ, तुम नीरज हो,
correct.
आप आप what was the example noch, again?
You can say my name again. That's fine.
आप नीरज है,
Correct.
हम जर्मन है,
Ye. You still have to ye. Like this guy, he.
ये जर्मन है,
Okay. And now a girl, like maybe like
ये
she is Angelina.
ये एंजेलिना है,
Okay. Far away. Somebody is far. Like he is a Chinese.
um, वो वो
Yep.
चाइनीस है, um, वो लॉरा है, And ये लोग अ, ये
Indians.
लोग इंडियन हैं
वो लोग जर्मन
वो लोग जर्मन हैं
हैं.
I don't know how to do
Right,
it,
that's
but yeah,
fine. Understandable.
let's
Yeah,
see.
as I said, this thing will take a little bit of time and a little bit of practice.
Yes.
Yeah, but don't worry about it.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
All right, so this is the session was about we learned the ending. Now you can make sentences and you know how to end it well. Guys,
Okay,
if you are enjoying the session and if you want personalized classes like Zoe is having, make sure you just go to the description and book a free trial class. You can also download a free learning Hindi learning book from the description as well. You don't have to pay anything for the book. Like this is a complete beginner book that you can download. I see you in the next session in the fourth episode, and like that, slowly we just going to increase our level until we get fluent in Hindi. So thank you so much, Zoe, and thank you so much, everybody. I'm sure we all going to make our Hindi fluent in this series.
of course. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste.